Let's take a look at finding 1 over the root of 2 plus 1. So first we're going to multiply this by the root of 2 minus 1 over the root of 2 minus 1. We want to get rid of the radical in the bottom, so you got to have a negative in the middle. So in the top it's going to give us 1 times the root of 2 minus 1 divided by the root of 2 plus 1 and the root of 2 minus 1. So this now is going to apply a pattern that says a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. In this case you can say a is the root of 2 and b is 1. So you just apply this pattern. So you're going to have in the top 1 times that is negative 2 minus 1, and in the bottom, because a is the root of 2, you're going to have the root of 2 squared minus 1 squared, difference of squares pattern. Then you get the root of 2 minus 1. The square root of 2 squared is just 2. 1 squared is 1, so it's 2 minus 1. The root of 2 minus 1 over 1, which normally we just write as the root of 2 minus 1. Click in the description, put a quiz in there so you can solve this one. 1 over the root of 3 minus 2, for an example.